Hi everyone, here we've got Realme 7 and let me show you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, let's open the settings and now let's scroll down and find About Phone. It's right here. Now let's tap on the version and here we've got the build number, so keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're a developer now. If you've got a pattern or a pen, then enter to confirm. And as you can see, now we are in a developer mode, so we have to go back to the settings and here let's tap on additional settings. Now let's scroll down and as you can see here we've got developer options, so let's tap on it in order to enter. And here we've got a lot of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can change the window animation scale, we can show surface updates, pointer location or show visual feedback for tabs. In order to turn on the feature, just tap on the switcher on it. And as you can see, it is immediately activated and applied. Of course, if you want to turn it off, just go back to the option and tap on the switcher again. If you can see the option without the switcher, for example like here in window animation scale, nothing easier, just tap on it in order to open much more settings. Let's get back, and if you are done with the customization of developer options, just go back to the very top of the list and tap on the switcher to turn them off. As you can see, they disappear. Let's get back, and the developer options are not visible in additional settings. If you want to customize them again, then go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So that's all. This is how to enable developer options in your Realme 7. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.